All right, everybody, welcome back to Where's Jared? It's your boy, Jerry. Today, we are doing something a little bit different. This is a Heartland Bighorn 39RK, I believe. And look at those under lights, all those underlying lights. They change colors, which I think is super cool. High gloss finish. You got a fiberglass front cap on the front there. The Helix from Kurt. Get a good look at that. That thing's sick. Quick view of the underbody storage. Guys, this thing's massive. Probably gonna spend about 10 minutes on this video, 12 minutes on this video. So bear with me here. Ooh, frameless tinted windows, you gotta love them. This is a pretty unit. It's the first Bighorn I've walked through. Probably not the first one I've ever walked through, but it's the first one I walked through on video for sure. Both of those awnings are gonna come out 8 foot 4 inches. A little flap comes down, that's when you know to stop. Let's get up into it. Let's get up into it, boys. Why not? Why not? It's only 7. It's only 7 p.m. Look at how pretty. Look at all the lighting. Just a quick glance, Take it all in. Take it all in. Because we're going right up in the front. You guys already know. Oof. Oh ho ho. King size. Made for a king. Made for a king. What do we got over here? We got a one time for the boys. A wardrobe. Look at that. Honey bronze. Honey bronze. But we ain't bougie in this channel, guys. That's gold. Some kind of gold. Honey bronze. Give a quick look at these. Ooh. What do we got here? We got four-sided. Four-sided wood. We love them. We love them. We love them. We love them. I wish they were a little bit deeper, but like the whole thing's only so deep. Does this come up? Oh. Oh. You guys know what that's for. You guys know what that's for. Same thing. Same thing. I am loving this new gimbal, guys. I'm loving it. I got shaky hands. Oh! What do I see? Is that mock marble? Or is it actual stone? Oh, it's real. Look at the shine. Oh my God, you see how dirty my hands are? Look at the shine. Oh my God, little shower tower. Let's give it the Tubby Guy Turbulence test. Tubby Guy Turbulence. No Tubby Guy Zero Tubby Guy turbulence. Zero. But the boys. But look at this. Look at this. You got your rainfall shower. You got your massager. And you got your nooks and crannies. Because, you know, you have nooks and crannies. Glass shower door. Which way do we go? Am I locked? Oh, I'm locked. It's glass. You don't even know it's there. And then we got the teak bench. Little teak wood. Little shower action. We love to see it. We're gonna get one time for the boys. Magnetic latches on the walk-in closet. You guys heard me. Let's take a good look at this. Walk-in closet in a camper, dude. And I'm not kidding. I am in here right now. I'm in this. Just 7 Where's Jared's. Dowel rods everywhere. Look at all this freaking storage, guys. Washer dryer hookup. Come on. Washer dryer hookup. Some extra chairs. Some extra chairs. Look at all these storage cubbies. Man. There's your power for your washer dryer. Stackable units. Solid surface countertops. Kind of wish there was a his and hers. Not judging. Not judging, Heartland. Just nudging. I would want his and her sink in here. Walk-in closet. Teak in the shower. Right? Marble on the shower walls. His and hers. Elevates. I'm sure there's a reason we don't, though. Four-sided. Ooh! Little soft close. Soft close everywhere. I'm telling you guys what. So we don't have our toothbrush, toothpaste, Tylenol. Sorry, I'm tired. Toothbrush, toothpaste, Tylenol. That doesn't open. That's just a mirror. But there's plenty of space down here. Plenty of space down here. Don't like that. I am judging now. Don't like that. Where'd you come from, little guy? Soft close everything. And then look at this king size bed. Look at how pretty it is. You've got your book lights up there. You're not going to bother the spouse. Beautiful bedroom. I love it. Let's do the look. We got to do the check. We got to do the check. Now, I know Heartland pretty well. I haven't worked with them a ton yet, but if I had to guess, I would say, hey, okay. We got the plywood, guys. Actual plywood, really indicative that the rest of the coach is going to be very well constructed. Don't like that glass tray is just sitting out there, but get to that tomorrow. You guys saw my fiance film the other video. She is obviously not as strong as me because she needed some help putting that bed down. Oh, just some extra storage right as you walk in. I'm going to put my shoes up there. I'm going to put my hats down here. Little hat hangers. Ton of space in here. Ton of space in here. For your under awning lights, I assume. Good look at the BM Pro control panel. This is going to control everything in your coach. They have an app. You download the app. You pair it to your coach. Bada bang, bada boom. We're in. Glass inlays. We love them. Can't live without them. Also, by the way, the only boot, scoot, and booty you're going to do in this coach is right there. I mean, the thing's on a bed slide. So there's not a whole lot of boot, scoot, and booty in this coach. I'm getting presumptuous here, but perhaps a powder room. What up with the boys? Oh my god, you guys see the boys? Guys. Oh, are we lucky? Are we lucky enough? Yeesh. Tylenol toothbrush, toothpaste. I guess this could be the his vanity. Or the hers, whatever you guys prefer. I just don't like that. Soft toes everywhere still. Obviously, guys, this is going to have the porcelain stink sink. We only have a Fart Fan 1000 back here. Oh, gosh. Tiny little storage. I think that's where I'm going to put the hand lotions we love to buy but never use. Right up there. Oh, huge storage space down there. Thanks, Kimball. Porcelain. Stink sink. And then if you guys want to see it. Okay. Fart Fan 1000. This table comes out. You got 2 more chairs right here. Tomorrow, that's going to be slid right over to here, and this is going to be a sectional sofa. Okay? Space heater. It's going to be 4777 BTUs pumping out in here, which is way too much. Live edge on the wood shelf here, which I like a lot. Corian countertops in the kitchen, solid surface. Look at this amazing kitchen, guys. Look at it. It's beautiful. It really is. Oh, cutting board, nice. That comes right down. Garbage cans, already knew it just by the size and location. Ooh, sorry. I actually really like this one, guys. Price point, it's not bad. There's a little steep, but Bitcoin is one of the bigger names in the industry. And then this thing's so awesome. On, temperature control, power control, spray and pray, soap dispenser, dish rinser, cup rinser, huge bassinet sink. I love sinks like that. I'm a huge fan of those. Ooh. Guys, lazy Susans are my favorite. Look at how awesome that is in a camper. I love it so much. We do have power towers in the kitchen, because naturally you would. There you go. Actual tiles back here too. You guys can actually see actual tiles. It's not a peel and stick. You're not buying that on Amazon. Well, I guess you could. And then the metal for this, the iron for this, is right down here. I'm just not gonna take it out right this second. We're gonna have to do that tomorrow. But look at this. oven. Turkeys and hams are A-okay. Turkey certified. Did you guys see that? Turkey certified. Really, really pretty knob lights, oven light. Get a good look at that. And then a gigantic GE, for the boys, for the GE microwave. It's a GE profile throughout this entire coach. Look at how amazing. God, what am I talking about? I love it. They're doing a great job in the Bighorn. They're doing a great job in the Bighorn. Ooh, we got a cooking fan right up top here. It's one of those 3000 models. I know we're kind of running through this thing, but this thing's huge, guys. It's a lot of cabinets to open up. So fully walkable roof on this thing, 5/8 inch Tony Groove plywood flooring. Look at the Frito-Lay holder in this thing. Holy Frito-Lays. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of Frito-Lays minimum go in there. Guys, I'm 5'8". I'm 5'10". If my fiance asks, but I'm 5'8" if you guys are asking, and I don't know if I can. Oh, get a good look up there. So the pans that people buy that you never use. GE profile. Look at this thing. Ice maker in the door. This is a residential refrigerator. I guarantee there's an inverter just for this thing, which is awesome. Which means that you can run it just off battery. So it's a residential fridge that you would put in your house, but in this coach, you can run it off battery, I presume. I want to give you guys a good look at the inside of this thing. Oh, it's already on too. Ice cold. Look at how much space. Holy crap. These big fifth wheels are nuts to me. I would live in one of these. Glass inlays, we love it. One last time for the boys. For the boys. A touch-up marker, why not? And that's it for the inside. I really love it. The ottoman, little storage in the ottoman. TV trays. From the Midwest, boys. Everybody knows I love my TV trays, my TV dinners. Let's get a good look at the outside storage on this thing. More right solid steps. Step above one of those two. Oh. Step above. 6-point auto leveling, hydraulic all the way throughout. Look at that gigantic basement. Look at that thing. We're in it. We're in the basement, boys. Little control panel. Oh, it's your vacuum cleaner, your JBL control panel. JBL system throughout the coach, inside and outside. Looks like 30-pound propanes. Everybody say hi to Yadam. Yadam. 40-pound propane tanks. Huge spot for battery connects. Looks like you could drop in a generator right there if I had gas. Holy crap. 2 more propane tanks. It's 120 pounds of propane. I said that like I'm good at math, because I am. Don't judge me. Don't at me. All right, so this thing's an amazing system. I love it. It's that B&B Nautilus. So it's, for lack of better words, it's stupid proof. Literally, whatever you're trying to do with your coach and your water, it tells you exactly what to do right here. Give you guys a good look at that. That's why the Nautilus system is so neat. You got your Scorn spout shower, solar on side, auto leveling, city water, black tank flush. That's the sprinkler system you ran through in the summer days of Yonder. Don't forget, this is where the hose goes for using. This is where the hose goes for flushing out your poop. Knobs right here, which I really, really appreciate. I wonder if there's more back here. No, I think it's just that one, but I think the bathrooms are close enough. So sometimes when you have 2 bathrooms in a unit, you'll have 2 sets of these because you have 2 different black tanks and gray tanks. But in this one, I think they're just close enough. Good look at that leveling system. I don't know, boys. It's sketchy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. I'm not gonna risk the biscuit this time, guys. But quickly. That's the back side of the refrigerator, 100% guaranteed. You guys ever seen the back of a fridge? There it is. Slam latch door, antenna TV, ladder on the back, backup camera prep. And guys, I think that's it, man. I think that's it. You do have your spare tire drop down right there. Comes with a tool for that. What else did we miss? Tankless on-demand hot water here. Here's a good look at that JBL speaker, of which you have 2 inside, 2 outside. Spray port, so you have running water on this side of the coach. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough on this one. Many more to come this weekend. I am at the Big E Convention Center. It's gonna be a great weekend. Thanks you guys for watching. Stay educated, stay entertained. Jared out.